How do I delete a file or folder in Python? How do I delete a file or folder?
all.remove removes a file. all.remove removes an empty directory. shuttle.removeTree deletes a directory and all its contents. Path objects from the Python 3.4 plus pathlib module also expose these instance methods. pathlib.path.unlink removes a file or symbolic link. pathlib.path.remove removes an empty directory.
Python syntax to delete a file. Or pathlib library for Python version is greater than or equal to 3.4. Path.unlink missing underscore OK equals false. Unlink method used to remove the file or the symbolic link. If missing underscore OK is false, the default file note found error is raised if the path does not exist. If missing underscore OK is true, file note found error exceptions will be ignored. Same behavior as the POSIX rmf command. Changed in version 3.8, the missing underscore OK parameter was added. Best practice. First, check if the file or folder exists and then delete it. You can achieve this in two ways. os.path.isFile/path/to/file use exception handling. Example for os.path.isFile. Exception handling. Respective output. Python syntax to delete a folder. Example for shuttle.removeTree.
Use. See complete documentation on shuttle and or. And complete documentation on os.
Here is a robust function that uses both os.remove and shuttle.removeTree.
Biologia, coisa chassis sabina.